Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to integrate your WooCommerce store with CRM tools using free plugins. First, for the HubSpot CRM, install the free HubSpot for WooCommerce plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for it, install, and activate it. After activation, a setup wizard will start. Click Connect to HubSpot. You will be redirected to log into your free HubSpot account and authorize the connection. This syncs your customer and order data directly to your HubSpot contacts. Next, for the Zoho CRM, install the free Zoho CRM for WooCommerce plugin. Activate it, then go to its settings. You'll need your Zoho CRM API credentials. In Zoho, go to Settings Developer Space API to generate client keys. Paste these into the plugin settings and authorize the connection to sync data. Finally, to keep customer records updated, ensure the sync settings are correct. In each plugin settings, check the boxes to sync new orders, customer details, and order status changes. And that's it. You've connected your store to powerful free CRMs automatically, creating customer profiles and logging every purchase. If this helped you sync your sales data, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.